Hello everyone, I hope you are absolutely great. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix iPhone 15 Pro Max auto restarting issue. Every 3 minutes this device auto restarting. So this is very common issue if you guys drop any kind of water or liquid in this device. So let's see how we can fix it and hope for the best. First of all, you have to open the device very nicely. If you don't have any technical knowledge or experience, don't try at your home. Once I open the device, I can see this device affected by water. If any device affected by water, this white paper will become red color. First thing is that we'll clean the device properly. Once you clean the device properly, you can find out that barometric pressure sensor. The barometric pressure sensor mostly located near to the charging and the haptic engine. As you can see, it's located here. Now we have two options. Either you can change the barometric pressure sensor or replace the whole charging flex. So we'll try to replace the barometric pressure sensor. If doesn't work, then we'll replace the whole charging flex. Very carefully you can replace by the new one and make sure you have enough experience about this, otherwise you could damage your device and I will not be responsible for that. Now let's check it's work or not. Let's set a timer for 3 minutes. You can play with your device few minutes for diagnosing. I tell you again, don't try at your home if you don't have any experience about this. As you can see, now it's 3 minutes over. Now it's not restarting anymore. So that's how you can fix yours or any customer device. As you can see, once we replace that sensor, now it's not restarting anymore. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you do, don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you on the next video. Till then, take care.